disconnect. Pull the tray out, releasing the lever, and disconnect your batteries. We'll show this fast forward because it takes a little bit of time and it's not that difficult. You can figure it out. So the main thing you want to focus here is getting everything cleaned up really well so that when you put the new batteries in, there's nothing that's going to cause any problems. And you're going to get a good connection. So we're going to scrape things up, and then we're going to get a little bit of air, and we'll use that to make sure that everything is good and clean before putting in the new batteries. Same thing on the other side. We're going to open up this hood latch and release that lever again. Swing the battery tray out, make it easier to access. And begin taking everything off from the top. There's also a little battery hold down we're going to take loose so that we can remove the batteries once we have the cables taken off the top. I might add, this is also a good time to clean out in between the battery trays. A lot of stuff needs to get built up in there, so you can get it out while you have the battery tray swung out. Again, just making sure everything's clear. Taking the grinder with a paint stripper wheel to make sure that we have no corrosion or anything on the leads. And the new batteries.